70% of the world's fresh water is used in agriculture, irrigation being a huge piece of that. We want to help make sure that that water that's being used for irrigation is being used as efficiently and as sustainably as possible. By providing them these data sources in a way that can be incorporated into that decision can help them make more sustainable decisions with their irrigation. My name is Jessie Kornick. I'm CEO and co-founder of Nave Analytics. My co-founders Val Kowalski, Bradley Griggs, and I started this company in June of 2021. When a grower has to make a decision around irrigation, whether to run that pivot or not, there's probably like 10 to 20 different things that he has to take into account. So in order to use that data to make an irrigation decision, it all needs to be brought together, calibrated. Those various formats need to be translated into one system so that all of that data can be used together to make that irrigation decision. Growers have plenty of dashboards already out there to look at, and they're oftentimes working with a trusted advisor to make those irrigation decisions. So what we want to do is be able to allow those trusted advisors to help make irrigation decisions informed based on data versus just whether like the neighbor turned their pivot on or not. So by providing the trusted advisors the data to help them make a more informed decision, we can help make sure that that water is being used as efficiently and sustainably as possible. So we are just finishing up our prototype build. So we should have a product here ready in the next couple of months. So we found the combine really pretty early on in our process of setting up our startup, which has made a world of a difference for us. We are a co-founding group of 3 science-based minds that have never run a startup before. So we definitely needed the help that the combine has provided us. Matt, Tanner, Hannah, they've all been so helpful, from just the advice on how to set up a business and what kind of registrations I needed to get, getting us in contact with some growers to talk to, getting our website set up, all stuff that I have no experience with and could not have done it without them. When we were starting the business, my co-founder group is kind of spread out. A couple of them were in St. Louis, I'm in Western Nebraska. We were trying to decide where to start the business and where to kind of set up. Nebraska seemed like a logical choice. We were able to find so many resources available for startup companies. The amount of resources that we've come across in a state that you wouldn't really expect to be a strong startup state has continued to blow our minds.